Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the get session ID function in Salesforce, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the get session ID function in Salesforce. It is one of the text function of a Salesforce that is used to return a user session ID in Salesforce, and this function may be useful in the hyperlinks or other application that use the salesforce.com's credentials for authentication. The syntax of this function is given on your screen. The function does not take any parameter. If you pass the parameter to the function, you will get an error. So let's proceed and see how we can use this get session ID function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So here I open my Salesforce account and I am in the Lightning interface. I click on the gear icon given on the top right side and click on the setup option. Once I click on that, it will take me to the object manager page, or you can say a main home setup page. Here I will get a object manager as a tab. I click on that on the top of the navigation bar. It will take me to the page where I will get the list of all the objects in Salesforce. I am going to work up with the contact, so I search for the contact in the quick find box. When I get the result, I click on that. After that, you need to click on the fields and relationship option given on the left side, and from the right side you need to click on the new button. Once you done that, it will take you to the page where you need to choose up the field type. I am going to choose the formula as a 1 because I am going to use the function in it and create a formula. Now in the next step, you need to enter the field label. Here I am going to enter the field label as a user session ID, and once I click anywhere on the screen or in the field name, it get automatically populated based upon the field label. The next thing you need to scroll down and choose the formula return type. I am going to choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button to proceed to the next step. In this next step, you need to create up the formula using a get session ID function. So for this, I need to click on the all function category from the right side, choose the text as a one category, and click on the get session ID function from here, and click on the insert selected field function. So here the function get added to the formula editor. Here I am simply using this thing because I want to get the user session ID, and without any passing parameter I use it. So there is a no syntax error, the function is correct. I click on the next button. Now in this next step, you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this particular field, and after that you need to click on the next button to proceed. Now in the last step, you need to select the page layout that should include this field in it. So after selecting that, you need to click on a save button. Once you click on a save, it successfully created up the formula field using the get session ID function in Salesforce. Now to check how it is working on, you need to click on the app launcher giving on the left side, and here you need to search for the context as a object. Here I am search it and click on that, and once I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will get the list of all the contacts that I have. You can either go up with the already existing one or create the new one as per your requirement. I am opening the already existing one. It will take me to its detail page, and here you can see that once I click on a detail and scroll down, it will show me the user session ID that I have get it with the help of a get session ID function in a Salesforce. Here it is. So with this, we have successfully learned how you can use the get session ID function in Salesforce Lighting. Now we are going to see how we can do in a Salesforce Classic. I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic button to redirect myself to the Classic interface. Once I do that, it will take me to the Classic setup. And for moving to the setup page of a Classic, I click on a setup option given on the top right side. Now I scroll down and move to the build section. I expand the customize drop down, and from here I need to choose the standard object on which I want to apply this get session ID function. I am going to do that for the product one. So here I am searching for the product as a standard object to apply these things. So here I select it down and click on the fields as an option as I want to create up the new field. So I scroll down to the product custom fields and relationship and click on the new button. Once I click on a new, it will ask me to choose the field type. Here I am going to choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button to proceed to the next page, and here you need to choose up the field label right now. So here I am entering the field label as a product link with the session ID. So here I type it on, and once I click anywhere on the screen, it will automatically populated the field name based upon the field label I have added. Now you need to scroll down the formula return type. I choose the text as a 1 and click on the next button. Once I click on the next, it will take me to the page where I need to create up the function using the get session ID function. This time I am going to show you the example where I am going to use the get session ID function and the hyperlink function, as I want to define the formula that create a link to application that is outside the Salesforce. So let's create me the formula first, then I will explain you the rest of the things. Here I copy pasted down all the things and click on the check syntax button, and once I click on that, there is a no syntax error I get in it. Now let's understand what I have done. Here I am use the hyperlink function first that creates a hyperlink, and we pass the URL to it, that is some Python guides website course of a machine learning, and the Python I have passed to it, and it is a web page that I have passed. Next I have passed the session ID to get the session ID of the user. Basically, this session ID is used to provide the authentication and maintain the user session on the website. After that, I use the and the row ID equals to and name parameter to pass the name value of the URL parameter. Then I pass the action equals to parameter that to the function to get the value as a get course. After that, I pass the get Python and machine learning training course as a text as I want to display in the hyperlink. So I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and once I click on the next step, it will take me to the page where I need to choose the profile to which I want to grant the edit access of this particular field. Some of them are already checked. If you want to grant to more, you need to check the checkbox given in the visible field. Now I click on the next, and here you need to choose the page layout that should include this field, and here by default the page layout is selected, so I simply click on a save button. Once I click on a save, it successfully save all the things. Now to see how it is working on, I open the products as object given on the top, and here I am going to randomly open the one of the product to let you know how it is working. Here it is. You can see that it will create a field name with the product link with the session ID, and it creates a one link as a hyperlink. Get Python and machine learning training course. When I click on that, it will take me to the page where I will get the things, and here you can see on the top I will also get the session ID in this URL. So with this we have successfully learned how you can use the get session ID function in both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.